Want to read messages on WhatsApp without letting others know? Here's how to turn off read receipts step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now go to the Settings tab. If you're using iPhone, it's at the bottom right. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right. Then select Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called Read Receipts. If this is turned on, people can see when you've read their messages, those blue check marks. To turn it off, simply toggle Read Receipts off. And that's it. From now on, others won't be able to see when you read their messages. But keep in mind, this works both ways. You also won't be able to see when others read your messages. This setting doesn't apply to group chats. Read Receipts will still show there. And that's it. Follow for more.